Hello, hello, hello. Great day, great day, great day. This video is just to give you an idea of stop manifesting and start creating. Let me say that again for those of you in the back. Stop manifesting. Start creating. You're creators. You're creative beings. You're supposed to create. Manifestation is just a tool. I don't think many of those of you who are out there following me or just seeing this the first time, go and ask your mentors, your teachers, your coaches, your manifestation experts and gurus, whoever they are, ask them. They will tell you, you are a creator. Start creating. And then you attract. Then you can manifest whatever you want. Remember, manifestation is a tool. So when you're Googling and you're looking how to manifest, stop looking for manifestation techniques. It's only one. You can really look at what you want, write it down, and boom, it's going to manifest. They got 1,001 different techniques. Trust me, I've tried at least 16. And I can tell you, after they've told me, and my teacher mentor told me, you're a creator. Did you have fun manifesting everything? Did you have fun manifesting your glass of water? Did you manifest walking down the street? Did you manifest buying a new pair of jeans? Did you manifest a new phone? Yeah, you're supposed to. You live. So you're going to be manifesting regardless. But when you realize and know you are a creator, then whatever you want to create, you will create by simply focusing your mind on what it is you see. You've seen it. You're creating it. Any action you take, good or bad, will lead you to it. But it's better when you're doing good. Get you there faster. You can go to the dark side and manifest on the other side, but that's a different topic for a different discussion on a different channel. If I bring that one out here, YouTube will ban me. That's not going to happen. That's Anakin Skywalker, the Death Star information. Anyway, back to creation. You're a creative being. You can create. Just keep saying that to yourself over and over again. My videos are not long. I'm not here to like drag you back and forth. You get it. You are a creator. Something in you right now, I don't know who you are, where you are, but something in you is like, this guy's right. Sounds kind of funny, but I love manifesting. You can love manifesting. I love manifesting. I manifest stuff. I manifest a lot of stuff. I manifested you watching me. That shows you we are manifesting. But I'm creating. I'm now creating what I want. I'm creating the life that I want. I enjoy creating. I enjoy creating these videos for you. I'm not manifesting any videos for you guys. I am creating videos for you. You see how that word starts to take a whole new meaning? I would advise you who's following right now, and those of you in the back, look into this a bit further. Do your own research. Look into creating. Ask questions. Ask your teachers, your mentors, your friends, your accountability partners. Ask them, am I a creator or a manifester? Get them to start to think, and then you'll get what's going on. So always remember, I don't like making these videos too long because I like to get to the point. So it's like, you are creating. You're always creating. So those of you who get it, understand it. If you have any questions whatsoever, you need some help and you want me to like guide you on a few things, just let me know down in, I think, the comments below. I love reading comments and helping you guys out there. So remember that always, I'm a creator, I'm a creator. Start saying that over and over to yourself. You're a creator, 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 you're a creator. And you start to understand it. Then go and pick any tool in manifestation that you want. Pick Neville Goddard. Pick Abdullah. Catherine Ponder. Bob Proctor. Kevin Trudeau. Les Brown. Pick any manifestation technique you've read or heard about. And then see what happens when you're going through it. You're going to get very astonishing results. And please let me know your results when you start saying, I'm creating in your daily conversation or in your daily thought process. I'm creating, I'm creating, I'm creating, I'm creating. And let me know your results. And if you have any questions, like I said, leave them below. I don't want this video to be too long. So have a nice day, and I love you all.